how are you all? Welcome to the video class of Social Studies, and today's video is for class 5th, and today's topic is transport. Myself Mr. Shivam Dhiman, and I am taking your Social Studies. As we all know that transport is the process by which human beings travel from one place to another along with their goods and एनिमल्स. तो ट्रांसपोर्ट क्या है? वो प्रोसेस जिसके द्वारा मनुष्य अपने जीवों और वस्तुओं के साथ एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाता है. एंड वी ऑल्सो नो दैट देयर आर 4 मेजर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट: एयर, वाटर, लैंड एंड रेल. सो एयरवेज, roadways, railways and waterways are the 4 means of transport used by us. In the earlier times, early humans used to travel on their foot. प्राचीन समय में early humans पैदल यात्रा किया करते थे, and they carry their load on their back, and they got so much tired that they can't move much more. तो जब अर्ली ह्यूमंस भारी सामान अपनी पीठ पर लोड नहीं कर पाते थे, तो उन्होंने क्या किया? दे टेम्ड एनिमल्स लाइक हॉर्स, म्यूल, एलिफेंट, बुल और डंकी. एंड दिस वाज नॉट मच इजी फॉर द एनिमल्स आल्सो टू कैरी सच हैवी लोड्स. देन द अर्ली ह्यूमंस मेड sledge, which was something easier for animals, but it took much time. Then this journey came in its speed when wheel was invented. Wheel was invented in the around 3500 before Christ in Mesopotamia, Iraq. व्हील के इन्वेंशन से ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम बहुत इजियर हो गया. एंड इस व्हील के इन्वेंशन से जो मटके बनाने पॉटर्स, उनको हेल्प मिली बिकॉज दे आर एबल टू मेक पॉट्स. सेकेंड, फाइबर्स वर आल्सो मेक बाय द स्पिनिंग व्हील. सो व्हील वाज द इंस्ट्रूमेंट which makes the journey of transportation as well as development of the man easier. Now, invention of steam engine. Steam engine was used in the vehicles to make the vehicle to move much fast as comparison to push or pull it. Steam engine was invented much earlier, but was corrected by James Watt in 1776 and got the much efficient type. तो जेम्स वाट ने स्टीम इंजन का इन्वेंशन 1776 में किया. Why? Because industrial revolution started in Europe in 18th century. तो यूरोप में इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन 18 सेंचुरी में शुरू हुआ. 18वीं शताब्दी में शुरू हो गया था इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन यूरोप में. तो जेम्स वाट ने, और क्योंकि जब इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन शुरू हुआ तो प्रोडक्शन की मांग को देखते हुए रॉ मटेरियल्स को कम समय में इंडस्ट्री से पहुंचना ताकि उससे सामान बन पाए. तो एनिमल्स वर नॉट इजी टू कैरी दैट लोड इन less time. So steam engine was much corrected and invented by the James Watt, and in which year? 1776, which was used in the vehicles to make it move much faster. And later it was used in many vehicles like trains, in boats, jets, ships. Steam engine was later replaced with the petrol, diesel and later electrical engines for the making the journey much faster. The four major transport are airways, roadways, railways and waterways. We use airways, roadways, railways and waterways for our transportation or journey. Airways. The first airways mode was used by the Wright brothers. How it came to existence? Flyer was invented by the Wright brothers, Wilbur Wright and Oliver Wright, which could fly but in lesser time, and then it was improved and aeroplanes came to use, which can carry almost 400 passengers along with their goods. तो एयरवेज जो है वो राइट ब्रदर्स, विल्बर राइट और ओलिवर राइट के थ्रू इन्वेंटेड, उनकी देन, एंड इट इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. ये सबसे महंगा है, बट इट इज द फास्टेस्ट which helps us to travel to distant places in lesser time. अगर हमें दूर जगहों पर जाना है तो कम से कम समय में ये हमें पहुंचा देंगे. There are many airports in our country like नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस in Kolkata, छत्रपति शिवाजी एयरपोर्ट in Mumbai, Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi, from where the international flights are taken off. And there are also the international airports like Kennedy in New York, Heathrow in London, and in our India, Indigo Airways, Jet Airways, Kingfisher Airways are the companies which are run by the government for providing the air means of transport. Roadways. Roadways is the commonly means of mode of transport used by us. If you want to go to your uncle's home, to your school, then you will use the road, है ना? And India has largest road network which is around 35,000 kilometers, and highways or expressways are built so that we can travel much easier and comfortable to the places where we want. Expressway or highways are 4 or 6 lanes road connected together, which are connected to major or many local cities. The longest road, GT road or Grand Trunk road, which is also known as Sher Shah Suri Marg, which runs from the Kolkata to Peshawar in Pakistan. And NH7 is also the road which runs from Kanyakumari and joined to Banaras or Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. There are many international roadway network which connects to countries like Burma China Road, the Pan American Highway, the Trans Canadian Highway. Now, railways. Railways are is also the mode of transport used commonly by the peoples, and it is the commonly used transport to travel to distant places. It takes some time, and the fare journey is also affordable for all of us. India has the 4th largest railway networks, and the largest railway network is of America. In India, Rajdhani, Shatabdi expresses are run by the government, and They also provide us major facilities like sanitation, and food is also provided in the trains for our easier journey, for making our journey easier and smooth. There are many trains which run locally in the particular area from traveling in our region, like the local trains, metro trains which run in Delhi and Kolkata, Memu trains which connects two cities, which runs from 2 or 3 cities. There are international trains also which connects the cities of 2 countries, like the Grand Orient Express, which runs from Paris in France and joins Istanbul in Turkey. The fastest train, which is bullet train, which travels per hour 4,500 km per hour, and it is found in Japan. The railway networks was set up was laid by the Britishers in 1853 for transporting goods and for the British officials to reach the places in less time. Now, waterways. Waterways were the transport used when we travel along with the oceans or water bodies or the rivers. In the ancient times, rafts and canoes were used by the early humans when they joined the log of wood together with a rope and travel with it. Or rafts were also used with boats or ships were also used which travel with the wind speed. And when with the invention of steam engine, ships were made to make the journey easier, but it is the slowest means of transport. If we want to import or export oil, tankers are also used, because oil is a fuel which can easily burn and cause damage to the lives. So waterways are used, and they are much heavy, so they are brought easily through the ships. And the heavy goods like cars or the materials which automobile parts which are brought to our nation through waterways method. There are at least 13 ports in India. Seaports. These are seaports. Seaports are the cities built around a city where ships are loaded or unloaded. Savannah was the first ship which used the steam engine for the first time to travel to cross the Atlantic Ocean in 1838. So this was the 4 means of transport. And when we are traveling in our local region along with the borders of the river which runs in which flows in a country itself, then it is called the inland waterways. Like the Assam natives use the Brahmaputra river for traveling, and in China Huanghe and many rivers were also used in their own nation. The peoples use these rivers in their own nation for traveling to the local cities. So this type of waterways is called as inland waterways. So these were the 4 means of transport which we are using. I hope you must have understood about the chapter. Thanks for watching the video. Keep liking, sharing and studying. Have a nice day, students.